Golly. You can see those bigger bees. Yeah, there's a drone right there. There's a drone right there. Another one. Big old drones are pouring in here. They look like drones to me. Maybe they're some other kind of bee. I don't know. But the honeybees, the little ones, there are a few of them, but a lot of these bees going in the hive are drones. They look like drones. Somebody tell me if you know what they are. Just let me know. I'm going to post this on YouTube, and hopefully I'll get some advice. But the bees are swarming all around here. They're a big swarm all up in here and all around the front of this hive. I'm going to open this lid up, this top cover. There's a bunch of regular honeybees in here, so I don't know what's going on, but I am going to leave this hive alone and let them figure it out. Boy, this top cover, I know the top board is backwards, but something is going on down here because there are some bigger bees that I think are drones that are going in here. I just do not know. So if you know on YouTube, you other apiary folks, please let me know what you're seeing. We got a bunch of regular honeybees up here. And down here there are just a bunch of big bees going in, bigger ones. That I again are assuming are drones. I just do not know. I'm not experienced enough to tell. I'm going to slow this down here. I'm going to block this, I'm going to put this restricted cover on. Let these guys maybe have a fighting chance if they're trying to defend their hive. I just do not know what's going on. I'm afraid for the little honeybees because they're all gathered up top. I'm going to put a, well, I'll just put whatever I can right now in front of that restricted cover there. See if I can block some of this activity and maybe help them defend the hive if that's what they need. Maybe that's what the drones are coming out for. I don't know, but they're flying away too. So help me, YouTube. Whatever you see, you let me know. If you know what those bees are that are going inside this hive, please let me know. I'm kneeling right beside this hive and I'm not being stung. I have exposed skin on my arms by my wrists. They're not attacking me. So is this a hive invasion that we're seeing? Oh, look at this. Boy, it's really getting packed now at the front. They are all around me. Everywhere around me. So, help me on YouTube. Tell me what you're seeing. What kind of bees are these? There's a little honeybee with some pollen trying to go in the hive. She's confused about what the heck's going on. Let's see if she makes it in. Come on, baby. You'll make it in. Come on, baby. Go on.